Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate how to use this ID locator to help Selenium automation tool in finding an element on a web page. So let's get started. For this practical demonstration, I'm going to open this browser and take you to a sample application page, that is omio.blogspot.com. Once you land on this page, you can see this text area field. Now, what I want to demonstrate here is using Selenium automation tool, I would like to type my name into this text area field. So Selenium automation tool need to type my name into this text area field like this. So this is the resultant activity. For that to happen, Selenium automation tool should be able to locate or find this text area field. Since Selenium automation tool is by default blind, it need to take an help of a locator to locate or find this text area field to perform such kind of activity on this text area field. So what locator we need to use to help Selenium in finding this text area field? To find it out, right click on this, select this text area field and right click on it and select inspect option here. The moment you select the inspect option, the HTML code written by the developer for developing this text area field element on this web page will get highlighted here. If you properly observe or go through this HTML code of this text area field, you see there's an ID attribute with some value. So we can use this value of this ID attribute as an ID locator. So for that, let's go here to this editor where I have already written some sample Selenium automation code. You don't have to understand this automation code. Focus more on how Selenium automation tool is able to take the help of this ID locator for finding the element on the web page. That only you have to focus. Okay. Treat this as a demo. Don't try to be more technical or try to understand the technical stuff from this session. So here there is some sample automation code from Selenium. Assume that this is Selenium automation tool. Now Selenium automation tool want to do what? It want to find this text area field and type my name into the text area field. This is what it should do. Selenium automation tool should do. But Selenium automation tool is by default blind. It cannot locate the text area field by itself. So Selenium automation tool need to take the help of a locator. Here in this example, it need to take the help of which locator? ID locator, because the HTML code of this text area field has this ID attribute here with some value. This value of the ID attribute of this text area field, I'm going to copy. And here I'll come to this Selenium automation tool and here I'll provide the ID locator, which is ID attribute value of the text area field I'm providing here. This value will act like a ID locator, which will help this Selenium automation tool to locate this text area field. And later here using this code, Selenium automation tool will type my name into the text area field. Okay, without this ID locator, Selenium automation tool won't be able to locate or find this text area field. So it won't be able to type my name into the text area field. Hope you're able to understand at a high level. Don't try to crack this code. Try to understand the concept of how we are passing the locator, that is ID locator, to the Selenium automation code so that the Selenium automation tool will be able to locate or find this text area field to type my name into it. Okay, to perform an operation like typing my name into this or typing some text into the text area field. Now let me run this code. So focus on the concept only, guys. Don't focus on the technical stuff in this session. This is a demo session for demonstrating how we can, use ID locator to help Selenium in finding the UI element on the web page. So I've run the script. Let's wait for a while. You see automatically the browser got launched. And here in the text area field, okay, the page is still loading. And once the page loads, you see my name got typed into the text area field. This proves that ID locator was helping Selenium in finding this text area field. And once located, Selenium automation tool is typing my text into my name or text into the text area field. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.